Welcome to Skyify, your gateway to immersive aerospace learning. In just seconds, explore how our app transforms traditional aerospace books into vivid 3D models through innovative image tracking. Next, embark on a 360-degree virtual tour of airplanes and cockpits, giving you a front-row seat to aviation like never before. Then, bring aircraft into your world with AR, visualizing them on any flat surface, enhancing your hands-on learning experience. Dive deeper into aerospace topics with our interactive 3D simulations and comprehensive learning materials, ensuring you have all the tools you need to succeed. And stay tuned, exciting updates are coming soon.